Hello students, teachers and parents. Welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. As you all know, today CBSE has officially declared the result for class 10th and many students were eagerly waiting for this moment. But right now, a lot of students are confused about one important thing: how to calculate percentage in CBSE result. Because CBSE does not provide percentage directly in marksheet. They only provide subject-wise marks. And this confusion become even bigger for students who have opted for an additional subject. So don't worry, I am here to make it super simple for you. So now as you can see on the screen, we have sample class 10th mark sheet. This student has taken an additional subject IT, Information Technology. So your first step is to choose best 5 subject out of 6 subject. So the first rule is English is compulsory. You must include it. Now for the remaining 4 subject, you can choose the highest scoring subject. So as you can see here, English is compulsory, then Hindi is 89, Mathematics Standard 90, Science 96, Social Science 92 and IT 94. So out of this, he can exclude Hindi, which is 89, and he can include IT. So now for percentage calculation, he is going to take English, which is 85. Then he is going to take Mathematics, which is 90. Then Science, which is 96. Social Science, which is 92. And IT, which is 94. Now he is going to add all this. These are the 5 best subjects. So their sum come out to be 457 and total marks will be 500. So when they have taken the best 5 subject, so they are going to get 457 out of 500. Now to calculate the percentage, divide it by 500 and multiply by 100. So you are going to get percentage as 91.4 point. So the percentage comes out to be 91.4 percentage. Even if you have taken 2 additional subjects, in that case also same thing is applicable. You just keep English compulsory, and if imagine if I have one more additional subject here, consider AI, which is not possible because IT and AI both cannot be opted. And if AI he has scored 92, so he can exclude mathematics and he can calculate percentage by considering AI as the best subject. This same method is applied to class 12th student as well. Choose best subject but don't take English. Replace the with additional subject if needed and apply the formula. Always check the specific requirement of college or courses. So some may consider all subject, not just best 5. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel MJ Manjari. Share this video with your friends so they don't stay confused. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.